guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi Iman. As you all were eagerly waiting for the admission into BPT course for the academic year 2021 to 2022, KNR UHS Warangal has released notification for this yesterday, that is on 4/12/2021. So availability of online application forms will be from 6 December 2021 at 11 a.m. and it will be closed on 15 December 2021 up to 6 p.m. The applications form will be available on the website given in the description. Further dates for the provisional final merit list and exercising web options and commencement of classes will be notified later. And coming to the regulations, the candidates are advised to take a printout and fill the application form according to the prospectus. The list of colleges and seat matrix for competent authority quota seats into BPT course at affiliated colleges for 2021 to 2022 will be displayed in KNR UHS website before exercising web options for counseling. Fee structure will be as notified by the state government. In case any BPT seats are permitted in colleges affiliated to the university for 2021 to 2022 year, the seats will also be filled up. No further notification will be issued. Coming to eligibility criteria, the candidate should be citizen of India and should satisfy the local or non-local status in Telangana or Andhra as laid down in Andhra Pradesh Educational Institutions Order 1974. The candidates have to apply online and upload the original certificates in response to notification to be issued by KNR UHS. The merit rank notified after verification of uploaded certificates by KNR UHS shall be the basis for the selection into BPT course into competent authority quota seats. Coming to educational qualifications, eligibility for BPT course is candidate seeking admission into BPT course should have passed 2 years intermediate examination 10+2 pattern with botany, zoology, physics and chemistry as optional, which shall include practical tests in each subject, or any other examinations that is like 10+2 pattern from recognized board under AISSC, CBSE, ICSC, SSCE, HSCE, NIOS, TOSS of other equivalent board with biology, physics and chemistry recognized as equivalent by Board of Intermediate Education, Telangana State, or intermediate that is 10+2 with which course with biology or physics are also eligible, and pass in intermediate vocational physiotherapy students are also eligible for this admissions. Coming to age, candidates should have completed the age of 17 years on 31st of December. That is, candidates born on or after 2nd January 2005 are not eligible. Students shall be medically fit. Online applications will be released on 6 December 2021 as I said before on the website given in the description. Next, coming to the registration and verification fee. The registration and verification fee for OC and BC candidates is 2000 rupees only, and for SC and ST candidates it is 1600. It can be paid through debit card or credit card or net banking. Registration fee, that is verification fee, once paid will not be refunded or adjusted to further date. Reservation of SC and ST is out of the total seats under competent authority quota, 15% are reserved for SC category candidates and 6% for ST category candidates. If any seat reserved for ST is not filled up, then will be open to the candidate belonging to SC and vice versa. Then coming to BC, 29% of total seats under CAQ shall be reserved for candidates belonging to BC and shall be allotted among the 5 subgroups of backward classes, that is BCA 7%, BCB 10%, BCC 1%, BCD 7%, and BCE 4%. Candidates who belong to notified BC caste of Telangana state which are listed in the government order shall be considered for reservation. Reservation for women candidates is 1/3% and 33 1/3% of seats are guaranteed for women candidates in each category. There is open category, SC, ST, SBC, all groups A, B, C, D, and E. Reservations for handicapped people or disability category are 5% of total seats in each category. And reservation for local candidates, 85% of seats in each shall be reserved for local candidates, and that is 15% shall be unreserved seats. Definition of local area is the part of state comprising the district Adilabad, Hyderabad, Rangareddy, Khammam, Karimnagar, Medak, Mahbubnagar, Nalgonda, Nizamabad, Warangal shall be regarded as the OU area or local area of Telangana. The part of state comprising the districts Srikakulam, Vizianagaram, Vishakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntur, and Prakasam shall be regarded as Andhra University area. The part of state comprising the district of Anantapur, Kurnool, Chittoor, and Nellore shall be regarded as Sri Venkateshwara University area. So, a candidate for the admission shall be regarded as local in relation to the local area. So, if you want the procedure of application, I will be uploading the next video in few more hours. If you have any queries, do comment below. Do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be notified on every update about physiotherapy.